Activating your Xfinity Internet service using the Xfinity app is designed for easy self-installation. First, ensure you have a valid Xfinity account, your Xfinity gateway, and the Xfinity app installed on your smartphone. Begin by connecting your gateway to both power and the coax cable. Then, open the Xfinity app and sign in using your Xfinity ID and password. The app will automatically scan for your gateway via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen prompts to update the gateway's firmware, which usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. This streamlined process allows you to bypass the need for a technician visit, getting you online quickly and efficiently. Remember to enable location services on your phone for seamless Wi-Fi scanning. After the firmware update completes, the Xfinity app guides you through setting up your Wi-Fi network. You'll be prompted to create a custom network name, also known as SSID, and a strong password to secure your connection. Once you've configured your Wi-Fi settings, connect your devices like your phone or laptop to the new network. This allows you to test the connection and ensure everything is working properly. The app will then confirm the activation of your internet service. It often integrates with Xfi features, such as parental controls for managing content access and speed tests to verify your connection performance. The entire setup process typically takes between 15 to 30 minutes. If you encounter any issues, the app provides helpful error codes and troubleshooting steps, including the option for automatic router reboots to resolve connectivity problems. Once completed, you can start enjoying your Xfinity Internet service with fast and reliable connectivity.